shit, hold up.
What? What?
Check my PPE.
Oh, yeah.
God damn, dog.
Got drills and shit.
All right.
Straight in. Right there. Hold that. Straight in. I got you. That's what I said. 2 inches.
All right. Brakes on, Ron.
Well, that's a shitty brake.
It's a shitty ass brake.
Brakes on.
All right, you're good.
I'm gonna go pee so I don't have to watch it fall.
You got that, Ron? Ron, make sure that it's on the bottom side too, right? All right, good.
All right, we're good.
You good? All right, I'm gonna bring it down. Well, actually, I'll just bring you over to this next one. You have the other triangle. Let the cables dangle, and I'm just gonna bring you right over. All right, there we go. Perfect. All right. Oh, that was touch. That's why we got wood. You good? All you gotta do, you don't even have to screw. You just gotta get that thing on and then frickin'. Got it.